Hey everyone, welcome back to another 2 Minute Tuesday episode of Bald Prairie Real Estate, where we talk about one Canadian real estate topic in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about how you can do improvements or renovations to a house, adding on to your mortgage so you don't have to pay for it up front. In all of my years helping buyers find houses, I have yet to find a perfect house that had no problems and no renovations needed. But you know what can help you find an almost perfect house? Subscribing to Bald Prairie Real Estate. Right here, hit that subscribe button so you can learn everything you need to know about buying a house in Canada. But let's say you have found a house, it's darn near perfect, the furnace is shot, you got to get that replaced. You can add that onto your mortgage. You're going to be paying for it over time and obviously paying interest on it, but maybe you don't have the money up front to do that. Well, this is going to allow you to do that. It's often called a mortgage plus improvements. There's a couple rules you need to know. First off, the repair you're doing or the amount of money you're borrowing can be no more than 10% of the value of the property or $40,000, whichever is less. Sometimes there's exceptions, but use that as a guideline. The work is going to have to be quoted by professional trades, usually one, but sometimes two, and there's going to be a timeline when this work must be completed by. Typically, it's within a few months of possession. As well, how does this all get paid for? Some banks will allow you to draw money from your mortgage to pay the contractors as the work is done, while others require that you pay for the work up front and then reimburse you once that work is completed. So a lot of trades will allow you to put a deposit down for the work. Once it's done, the bank will come verify that it's been done as it was quoted. They'll give you the money and you can use that to pay your trades. But that's how you can use mortgage plus improvements to get work done or renovations that you need to have done when you take possession of a house and add it onto your mortgage so you don't have to pay for it up front. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. Want to watch another one? Right here, 2 Minute Tuesday playlist coming right at you. What about what's going on in your housing market? Well, right here is my most recent Canadian real estate market update so you know what's going on in your housing market. Thanks for watching.